In this video we are going to see 7 iconic queen sacrifices that they are going to amazing you. Fantastic games, one after the other. Now let's jump here in the 7th example. It's white's turn. We have Anand with white pieces and Lautier with black. What are you going to do here with the white pieces? Please pause the video and try to think. Here Anand found a very nice way to continue the attack and he played this move. Really interesting to see, bishop to g6. What he's going to do, he's sacrificing his bishop. We can take it other way like this or with the other pawn, but he has a trick. If you just capture the bishop, we can capture the queen. So here Lautier thought and said, hey, wait a minute, maybe I can capture the queen. But this is not good. Why? Because can take there, this is a check, and he cannot really capture with that pawn because this is pinned, so he has to do something else to delay a little bit, and after this we have that, and now reinforcements are coming. This is a check, and after that we have the beautiful checkmate. Lautier calculated this, of course, but it didn't happen during the game, but it's a very interesting and nice to see this one, and it's a checkmate, beautiful checkmate, right? In example number 6, Anand himself, Viswanathan Anand is the victim. Here we have Magnus Carlsen with the white pieces and white can win the game. Can you find the move here? And the move is to give the discover check like this, and after this queen sacrifice you can perform this back rank checkmate. And it's not very common to see the knight there, but this knight is controlling that square, so the king cannot really escape. You have a beautiful checkmate. And here we have this position actually, and after that check when one went inside, the king went inside, and here we have the same pattern, and here Carlsen could give this check in order to perform the same checkmate, but instead he played this move c3. I'm not sure if he just foreseen this one right now and he would like to do this with a queen sacrifice, or he completely missed it. What do you think? Would you like to become sure and get stable result at chess? Then I'm recommending you this training program divided in years according to FIDE rating, for example 800, 1000, 1100, 1200. And if you click in any of these links, then you can see the curriculum of each lesson. Here you can see a small video and a very detailed description of the lesson. Please also notice that you can see a lot of puzzles, try to solve them. We have puzzles with 10 questions for every single training program. It's completely free and you can try it out. The basic methodology of the training program is that we get the basic ideas, then we have illustrative chess examples, specific exercises for each theoretical lesson, and last but not least the final conclusions. The main difference from other programs is that here we are going to analyze the typical opening errors, how to avoid them, the characteristic middle game errors of each level, learn the basic endgames, and last but not least the visualization program. This is very important because it will help you to foresee the chess move ahead and calculate better comparing to your opponents. You can get the package of 4 of these training programs, which contain 95 theoretical lessons, approximately 780 minutes. It analyzed 800 games in this fantastic final prize. So time for action is now, and click the link in the description. The next example is from the fantastic magician from Riga, Michal, and here he has the white pieces. His queen is under attack. What are you going to do? And Tal didn't move that queen, he just captured there on d5, because after that he can play this one check, and after this he can take, and this is a beautiful checkmate in the back rank. Hey, do you like the content? Now it's time to click the thumbs up button. It could be impossible to create this video without this stunning example. We have Thanos Mastrovasilis with the white pieces, and here he performed a very beautiful combination actually to win the game. Please pause the video and try to think. White's turn. And here he played this amazing move, queen takes there, in order to lure the king out, and now you can see this check, right? He can go there, and now we need to continue attacking because we just sacrificed the queen. How to do it? With this beautiful check, sacrificing everything, and after that we have another beautiful checkmate, black pair checkmate, and the enemy king cannot do anything at all. We have this position and it is approximately equal. White player, a very strong grandmaster, 2670, something like that. It's his turn right now and he played the move knight to c6, the mistake. Now he is losing, but he is threatening something. He is threatening to capture there on e7 to create a double attack against the king and the rook. He is threatening the bishop as well. What to do? And Hikaru Nakamura with the black pieces just eliminate that knight. But White had foreseen something. He didn't calculate only one move ahead, and he just foreseen this one. Now the bishop is under attack, the queen is under attack, and the rook is under attack as well, and it seems that black should resign, right? However, Hikaru had another idea, another thought. It's black's turn. What are you going to do? Can you play like him? And yep, he just sacrificed the queen on f2, only for one pawn. Black cannot do anything else but just to capture this one, and now we have another powerful check. The things are extremely difficult. He continued his journey. In the center of the board we have another check, and after this he just gives the check with the knight. During the game he didn't capture that one. He played king to g5 and we're going to see, but if he just captured this with the rook, we have a very beautiful and very difficult move to foresee. This is bishop to c8. You have to foresee actually this one before sacrificing the queen. For this reason it's difficult. We have this check, and after this he can sacrifice there, he can capture there, and after this check here, and now we have another very strong move actually, and difficult to find. A quiet move, a move without a check. But now he is threatening rook to e5 check, and this could be deadly because the bishop is not hanging and he opened up the line. White cannot do a lot. Maybe he can play this one in order to stop rook e5, sacrificing back his queen, but here black is not interesting. He can continue giving checks, and after this we have another check, and this killing check with the bishop. Unfortunately, white should put the queen there. We can capture the queen and black is winning. During the game this didn't happen. He played king to g5, and now we have a check, and he played another very nice move, quiet move f6, because not only to protect the knight, the idea is to give access to this square on g5, the pawn is helping, and after this move he can take, and now we have this beautiful move again here, bishop to c8, because we are controlling this square on g4, and the idea is to give the check on h6. He played this one, for example, he could play this one, and after this check again he has to sacrifice back the queen, but this is not solve the problems because we have this checkmate again. Another brilliant example. Now it's black's turn, and after this move you see Biel with the white pieces said, okay, I can take the rook, but why not to attack your queen as well, because I want more, I want your queen. And Robert Fischer, the American superstar, played here a check. So you cannot take my queen, I'm threatening your king. He can go on d2, but after this check he is going to lose the bishop. The king will be in the fire, under the fire in the center of the board, and it will face a lot of problems. For that reason here white said, okay, I'm continue attacking your queen, I'm going here on f1. And now we have this iconic moment, fantastic moment, in which Fischer sacrifices queen. But how are you going to do it actually? It's very interesting. And Fischer found this move, bishop p6. I hope you found the same as well, because he just captured the queen. We're going to see this continuation, but he can take here the bishop actually. This is a little more difficult because he captures something and he's continue attacking the queen. But now we have a very nice combination. Fischer foreseen it. Queen to b5 check. What to do now? He don't have a lot of ideas. King e1 is a checkmate on e2, so he has to go there. Do you know the combination? Do you know the mechanism in order to win? And this is this amazing knight e2 check. He has to go here. After this check, he can go inside, and now you have the killing move. And this is queen to f1, luring the king, the rook there. The king cannot go anywhere. It's dragged with his own pieces, and now we have the smothered checkmate with the knight. So it didn't happen during the game. He played queen, bishop takes there. Okay, I'm going to eliminate your queen. We have this check, but now the things are a little more light, right? Because the queen is not on this deadly diagonal a6 f1. So we have only the bishop. Fischer, of course, has the perpetual check here, but he's continued checking in order to improve his pieces. Now he's threatening the rook as well, and say, okay, I can take the rook, but I have something more. I don't have the queen, but you have the queen, so I can attack your queen and you will have problems. This is the problem when you have an extra queen. You should retreat after any threat. He went there, he's attacking the bishop, and look at that, very beautiful coordination of the pieces. The rook protects the bishop, the knight is protecting the rook is attacking the queen. He has to do something. He went there, and now we have this take. He went this way, he played that one in order to liberate the rook, because the rook is out of the game. So we have that, attacking f2, he went here, the knight is under attack, the rook is under attack. He played that one in order to eliminate some attackers, and we have this. He gave a smart check, we can say, on d8, we have that one, and after this, bishop to d5, very nice move, because he's continue attacking right now. He's continue eyeballing this square here. He can move up his king actually to liberate the bishop, and the enemy king, the white king, continue have problems. After this, he played that one to have access on that square actually, and after that he can liberate the king. We have this, he played that one to protect everything. Fantastic positional domination from black pieces, and after that he stopped this one as well. He went here to free the bishop, and after this we have another killing attack, bishop to c5. He went here, continue the long rank to the other side of the board, but all of black pieces are coming with tempo, with check, and after this we have that, and the final checkmate is rook to c2. Amazing, isn't it? I left for last this amazing game from Garry Kasparov against Vladimir Kramnik, and here it's white's turn. You can see Garry had this ability to sacrifice his pieces, to create combinations, to create threats. It's a messy position, and here he continued attacking, creating threats. This is very important in order to keep the initiative, create threats, attacking the queen. So black thought, okay, you're attacking my queen, I can attack yours, what are you going to do? And here is the very important moment in which Garry played amazingly. What are you going to do? It's white's turn. And he didn't care about his queen, he played this very nice aggressive move, h5, attacking the rook, and tried to open up lines for his own rook there. So we have knight takes, and now you can see that the rook is under attack from the queen. This rook is under attack as well. The pawn on g2 is under attack, and the knight is under attack as well. But Garry said, okay, you can take anything you like, I'm continuing my attack. And you can see he played that move, he's threatening a lot of checks here and things. The queen is threatened under as well, so he played this queen takes on d6. At least the queen is not under attack and it's still in the center of the board, but now we have this check, and after that, what are you going to do? We have another small combination here. Can you do it as Garry? And Garry played this move, pawn takes there. The rook is protecting the pawn, the king cannot go here actually because we have the knight, and after that he created a new queen. However, he is losing the knight. His idea was to give a check, we have that one, another check and another check, so he just captured the knight. The material is better for white, he has an extra pawn, and the problem here is that black doesn't have a lot of moves, because these pieces can create a lot of strong attacks. He's threatening something like that to collect the bishop and more pawns, and black played here the natural looking move, queen f8. Now I'm leaving this to you. Your task is to find the best move with the white pieces. Garry played the next move and Kramnik resigned. Can you do the same? It's a little task. If you manage to find it, you are welcome to write a comment below. Thanks for your time and I hope you enjoyed the video. Here it's time for action. This is the initial page of my website and here you can click Give me access to get access to free lessons. You can read this page and if you scroll down, here you can add your name and your email. After that, you're going to take a free lesson how to avoid chess blunders. So, time for action is now and you're very welcome to join my mail list.